Hi, my name is Alyssa. Thank you for joining me today for Footsteps to Brilliance story time. Today, we're going to talk about holidays around the world for the month of February. Our first holiday is Groundhog Day, and it occurs on February 2nd. Our next holiday is Fastelavn, and it is on February 14th this year. President's Day happened on February 15th. To read some stories about the first two holidays, we are going to go into Footsteps to Brilliance Level 2, Holidays Around the World. After logging into my Footsteps to Brilliance account, I go to Level 2, which is the yellow level. Then I go to my library where I find Holidays Around the World. Let's click inside. For Groundhog Day and Fastelavn, we need to go to Holidays Around the World, F through J. Here it is. Holidays Around the World, F through J. Let's have the book read itself to us.
Holidays Around the World, F through J. Written by Joshua Ray Martin. Illustrated by Carolina Javy.
This page has information about one of our holidays, Fastelavn. Let's click on the purple icon here to see what it says.
Fastelavn is a Danish holiday where children wear costumes and gather treats for a feast, much like trick-or-treating. Children beat a wooden barrel filled with candy and oranges until it breaks.
Let's pull down this arrow and see what happens. It said that Fastelavn is a holiday much like
trick-or-treating.
Trick-or-treating. Trick-or-treating occurs for Halloween, and that is in the month of October. So if any of you have gone trick-or-treating before, Fastelavn is just like that.
Fastelavn is celebrated in Denmark on the Sunday or Monday before Ash Wednesday. Can you find the 19th day of February on the calendar?
One year, Fastelavn was celebrated on a February 19th. Let's find number 19 on the calendar. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Good job. This year, Fastelavn is celebrated on February 14th. Let's find the number 14. There it is. Our next holiday is Groundhog Day. Let's see what the page says.
People say that on Groundhog Day, a groundhog comes out of its hole to predict the weather. If the animal sees its shadow, there will be 6 more weeks of winter. If not, spring will show up early.
So right now we are in the season of winter, but the next season coming up is spring. So when the groundhog comes out of his hole, like you can see here, if he sees his shadow, he gets scared and he jumps back in the hole. And that means 6 more weeks of winter. But if he doesn't see his shadow, that means spring is coming soon. Let's pull this arrow and see what happens. Oh no, the groundhog saw his shadow and jumped back in his hole. That means 6 more weeks of winter.
Groundhog Day takes place on February 2nd in the United States. Can you find the 2nd day of February on the calendar?
So Groundhog Day is on the 2nd day, so 1, 2 of February. Let's find the number 2. 1, 2. Good job. So we have looked at Groundhog Day, which is on February 2nd, Fastalon, which is on February 14th this year. Our next holiday is President's Day, and that happens on February 15th. For President's Day, we need to look at holidays around the world, P through T. I'm still in my Footsteps to Brilliance account in level 2, which is the yellow level. We're in the Holidays Around the World book, and we need to find book P through T. There it is.
Holidays Around the World, P through T. Written by Joshua Ray Martin. Illustrated by Carolina Javy.
This page talks about President's Day. Let's click on the speaker icon to see what it says.
President's Day used to be called Washington's birthday. It used to honor only the first president of the United States. Now it also honors President Abraham Lincoln, who was also born in February.
Let's move these arrows and see what happens.
President's Day is celebrated on the third Monday of February. Can you find the third Monday on the calendar?
So we need to look at Monday, and we need to find the third Monday. So 1, 2, 3. So let's look at the top of the calendar. We have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. They said we need to find Monday. So here's Monday, and we need to count how many Mondays there are. We have 1 Monday, 2, 3, and 4. So there are 4 Mondays in the month of February. So which one did it say we needed to find?
Third.
The third Monday. So that's 1, 2, 3. Good job. This year, President's Day is going to be on February 15th. Thank you so much for joining me today for Footsteps to Brilliance story time. Footsteps to Brilliance is free to all Colusa County residents. If you would like to continue reading the Holidays Around the World books or any of the other books or play any games on Footsteps to Brilliance, you just need to visit www.andliteracyforall.net to sign up. You can then download the app from the App Store for free, or you can play on a computer. Follow us on Facebook at CCOE and Literacy for All, and our YouTube channel at Colusa County Office of Education. My name is Alyssa Moss, and I'm the Digital Literacy Specialist, and you can contact me at 473-1350, extension 10836, or you can email me. You can also contact our Literacy Liaison, Stephanie Santana, if you need any help. Thanks for joining me, and I hope to see you next time.